Where are we swimming to, Arch?
To a pontoon.
To the pontoon. Where's the why do we have to swim to the pontoon?
Because I need to get back.
Yep.
And I can't really fixing a bridge right now.
They are. Yeah, we've got no way of getting back, have we?
But just to swim.
Yeah, so where are we swimming to? All the way over there. Yep, boat's there. Over here. Nice. You can do it. You okay?
I've never swum this deep without a life jacket.
You're doing really well. If you need a rest, I'll come to you, okay?
I never need a rest.
You need a rest?
No, I never will.
Never rest. Archie never rests. Keep coming this way, Arch.
Okay, fine.
We go to the ladder. That's the safe place to get out.
Okay. I'm almost there.
We are. Doing really good. 3/4 of the way there.
I'm swimming to you.
You're swimming faster than me. So, that's it. Almost there.
My arms are going quite tight, but it's okay.
Okay.
Hello.
That's it.
Might be too strong, but not strong enough for me.
You're a super speedy swimmer.
Yeah, I am. What will it feel like?
It's all right, a little bit slimy. It's okay, it's just a bit of weed.
Okay.
Come on.
If you say so.
Nice job, Arch.
Well,
That's a good swim.
high five.